Why does filming dinner suddenly make a simple salad feel like a live television finale? When you are a chef, private chef, or caterer working in someone's home, you are cooking, serving, cleaning, and trying not to make the camera fall into the soup. The trick is not doing everything at once, because that is how onions burn while you explain your beautiful sauce. You need a workflow that lets you cook first, film second, and still catch the moments people actually want to see. Before you arrive, decide what deserves attention on camera. A quick ingredient shot, one useful technique, and the finished dish usually tell the story better than filming every spoonful like it is a celebrity interview. You can set up a small filming area near the work zone, but keep it out of your way. A camera should document the work, not become another guest asking where the clean towels are. Start with ingredients that can wait without getting sad. Vegetables, sauces, and garnishes are usually friendly on camera, while delicate seafood, whipped cream, and anything described as crispy may begin a dramatic countdown. A private kitchen adds surprises that a restaurant kitchen would never tolerate. The oven may have 3 settings, none of which match the dial, and the biggest cutting board may be hiding under a stack of decorative plates. That is why a short kitchen check matters before cooking begins. Find the outlets, test the lights, locate the tools, and learn whether the refrigerator door opens into the only place where you can stand. While you work, group tasks by timing instead of filming every step in order. You might record the chopping early, cook the main dish later, and capture the final plating when the kitchen looks calm and your hair has stopped negotiating with gravity. Good filming also means protecting the food. Wash your hands, keep the camera away from raw ingredients, and never trade safe cooking for a dramatic close-up that looks like a cooking show directed by a raccoon. You do not need a giant camera crew to make useful content. One stable phone, a clean lens, decent light, and a few intentional clips can show skill without turning the home into a movie set. When guests arrive, your priorities shift. The meal comes first, so pause filming if the food needs attention, because nobody wants to hear that the roast looked amazing while eating an apology sandwich. You can also explain what you are doing while you work, but keep it simple. Tell people why you rest the meat, why you add salt in stages, or why the sauce needs time, instead of giving them a 12-minute lecture on the emotional history of pepper. Caterers often face an even bigger balance problem because several dishes may finish together. Make a timing list, label containers, and leave room for delays, since every event has at least one mystery guest, missing serving spoon, or oven with a personal grudge. The best footage often comes from honest moments, not perfect ones. If a garnish slides sideways, you can fix it, laugh briefly, and show that professional cooking is organized problem-solving rather than wizardry with a linen napkin. After service, save a few notes about what worked. You may discover that filming before guests arrive keeps you focused, or that a single overhead shot explains more than an entire hour of shaky kitchen footage. When you balance the camera with the work, your video becomes part of the service instead of a distraction from it, and viewers get something better than staged perfection, a clear look at how real chefs make a home kitchen run. If you want to learn more about our company, check out our links in the description.